Hi guys, today I'll be performing carbon clean on this Mazda CX-5 all-wheel drive. Uh, I'll be working by moving the air filter, the battery, the intake manifold, and the AGL valve because I want to do carbon clean on it, and I'll show you step by step how to go about it. Yeah. So to move this air filter, you have to unplug this, lose these bolts, and pull it up. From there, I'll show you. Also, you move these two 10 bolts, then move this pipe. Yeah, this air pipe, move it, move the air filter. After that, next off, I have to move the battery just to get move the battery, this one and this two clamp and that one, and hopefully it comes off. So the battery is off. Next I have to lose this nut to move the battery plate, because I'm going straight to clean the carbon clean for the AGL valve system and the manifold system So you have to take off this process. Also, you have to move this water reservoir and drain water. So it's just like a step by step how to go about it. Yeah. So I'll show you guys. So these three bolts is 12 bolts. 12 bolts. So you need 12 socket for this. Next up, you need to know the air pipe, which is going straight to the air pipe, which is two 12 bolts here. If you can see, one here, one here, one here, one there, and you just have to push this clip afterwards. The gas says to move this air pipe. So you can see it's loose, and this too is loose, but there will be a bracket there. You can see you reveling. All you need to do is just to put your clip here and this on this head, and all out. Yeah. Just sit there and pick it out. You have to take a clean cloth to cover it, so nothing like bolt will fall inside, because anything fall inside, the engine is gone. Clean cloth, cover it a bit. Also for this one, because to cover this one too, they're always like your gasket, you move your gasket for it, because the gasket is going in there. So next we need to move this bracket, so you can get to see the AGL valve cooler. This is the AGL valve cooler. You need to give this bracket to get to the AGL valve, then the manifold. So you move this pipe, yeah, with a clip. Then there's a 12 bolt down there, you have to lose this one. 12 bolt down there, you have to lose this one. Then there's another one here. Then you have to lose this 10 knots. So two 12 knots, one here and one here. Then you move this clip, this pipe, and that pipe. Then move this bracket to this side, and I'll show you. So this is the AGL valve cooler. Because my aim is to move the AGL valve cooler, the AGL valve system. This is the AGL valve system. The intake manifold. To do carbon cleaning for the car, because having that SCBC light coming up in the dashboard, and it's showing the intake mass intake air pressure light. So I just want to do this to clean it. Then from there you see how it goes. And there's a bracket, yeah, you need to remove. This is the bracket. It's covered with this is the bracket. yeah, to get to the bolt. So they move the AGL valve. This is a 12 knots and that 12 knots, and there's a gasket there, and there's another one here, and you have to move this pipe and have to move this one too. Yeah, so the cooler is out. Yeah, so next gonna take the AGL valve. So you know this pipe out. I've already moved the sensor. Just press it down here, press it down and pull out, then move the stove bolts here, two of them, and one here. Yeah. But you have to move this bracket first. Have to move this bracket first to get access to this. And one beneath down there. Yeah, to move the AGL valve system. Yeah, step by step. So the AGL valve system is out. Yeah, this is the AGL valve system. You can see. So next, after I slack this wire room to move the intake manifold. Slack the wire room, which you have to move these 15 bolts, then these 10 nuts, the move clip here up, move clip here, then adjust this one a bit, move this clip, then move the sensors, fairway sensors, think vacuum sensors. I'm not sure about this one. This is system sensors, and this sensor here, yeah, and this pipe, because this pipe I already move it, so just pull it back. Yeah, so the wiring are out. Then you need to move this food. I'm not sure what power component is this, but it looks like another throttle mat or throttle mixer. Then this shield for the food. This needs to be like a mass mixer. So this, then from there it gets how it goes from there. So everything is off. To take off, what is remaining now, you just take off the intake manifold. Yeah, you can see sensor is wire room is slacked a bit. I just moved 6 sensors and the MR mixer here, and next is just to lose the 10 bolts, which is altogether that 8. So 2 this side, 2 that side, another 2 here. You can see another 2 there, and another 2 at the extreme end. And you have to move the sensor too. And after that, there's a clip connected, there's a pipe connected to the M mixer. You just have to buckle. Yeah, as you can see, the intake manifold is off. Yeah, okay.